Hello students. Dear students, in this section we will see cyclic notation of a permutation, or we may call a cyclic permutation or permutation cycle. For that, consider a permutation. Sigma is equal to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. This is a permutation given here. This is a permutation on 3 symbols. So this belongs to ES3. That is set of all permutations on 3 symbols. Then here sigma 1 is 2 here, sigma 2 is 3, and sigma 3 is 1. So we have written this sigma is 2 row notation. This is a first row and this is second row, and this sigma now can be written in a single row notation as, see here, 1 goes to 2 here, 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 2, sigma sends 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1. So we get a cycle here. How we get a cycle here? So this sigma can be written in a single notation as sigma is equal to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 1. This is the cyclic notation of a sigma. Here 3 goes to 1 here. This 3 goes to 1 here. This is a cyclic notation of a sigma. Consider the another example. 2 is equal to 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 2, and 4 goes to 1. This is a permutation belongs to S4 because the highest symbol is 4. This is belongs to S4. Here, see here, this toe sends 1 to 3. So 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 1. So this permutation can be written as, in a cyclic notation, this can be written as 2 is equal to 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, and lastly this 4 goes to 1 here. 4 goes to 1. So this can be written as, this is a single row notation, and this is called the cyclic notation. Or you may write sigma, this toe, as, see here, cyclic notation as, this is 1, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, and lastly 4 goes to 2. This is a cyclic notation. So this is called a cyclic. This is single row notation. Then length of a cycle. What is length of a cycle? Length of a cycle is nothing but the number of symbols involved in a cycle. Number of symbols involved in a cycle is called length of a cycle. For example, we have seen already sigma is equal to, this is a cycle, and this contains only 3 symbols, 1, 2, 3. So this is cycle of length 3. See here, toe is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4. 4 symbols are involved. This is first symbol 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a cycle of length 4 here. So length of a cycle. Transposition. Transposition is nothing but a cycle of length 2 is called transposition. A cycle of length 2 is called transposition. For example, sigma 1 is equal to 1, 2. It is a transposition because its length is 2. Only 2 symbols are. Sigma 3 is equal to, see here, this belongs to S2. You may take this belongs to S2. So this sigma 2 is equal to 3, 4 means this belongs to S4, and it is a cycle of length 2. So this is a transposition because its length is 2. Note that A1 A2 means what? Transpositions is equal to A to A1. A1 goes to A2 and A2 goes to A1. Meaning of this is here A2 goes to A1 and A1 goes to A2. So these two are the same things. Or you may take another example that 1 comma 2 can be written as cyclic promotion 2 comma 1, because here 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 1. 2 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2. Same thing we will get. So this happens. It is a permutation. TO3 is equal to, if a permutation TO3 is equal to 135 here, 135, this is a permutation 135 belongs to S5, then the actual permutation is, see here, this is a 135, highest symbol is 5, so it can taken this as a belongs to S5, permutations on 5 symbols. So actual permutation is TO3 is equal to, here symbols involved are, the remaining symbols are 2 and 3 here, not in the cyclic notation of a TO3, not present in the cyclic notation of a TO3, but this is cycle belongs to S5, so we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here 1 goes to 3, so we have written 1 goes to 3. Then 3 goes to 5, we have written this 3 goes to 5, and 5 goes to 1, lastly 5 goes to 1. So these 2 and 3 are left fixed by this TO3, that is 2 goes to 2 and 4 goes to 4. This is called the standard. This is called standard notation or standard form of a permutation. Standard form of a permutation. Standard form. So multiplication of cycles. Consider the two cycles given here. Sigma is equal to 1354 and TO is equal to 276. So here highest symbol involved is 7. Highest symbol involved in sigma is 5. So this sigma you may take this sigma belongs to S5 and you may take this TO belongs to S7. But given that these two are in S8, means what? The remaining symbols are left fixed by sigma here. For example, 6 goes to 6, 7 goes to 7 and 8 goes to 8 in a standard form. Find sigma TO, that is sigma circle TO and TO circle sigma. That is just, we can write this as a TO sigma. Then how we can find solution? The standard form of sigma and TO is, or standard form of sigma and TO is, or sigma and TO can be written in a standard form as, this is sigma here. How you can written this sigma as? See here, this is a belongs to S8, so we have to take us 8 symbols and their images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here given here 1 goes to 3, so one image of 1 is 3 under sigma. Then 3 goes to 5, 3 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4, 5 goes to 4, and lastly this 4 goes to 1, this 4 goes to 1. So 2 is not involved here, so 2 is left fixed by sigma, means 2 goes to 2, 6 goes to 6, 7 goes to 7 and 8 goes to 8. And again consider TO is equal to, this is a TO is just given 276, 2 goes to 7, 7 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2. So standard notation of TO is, here again this belongs to S8, so we have taken all the 8 symbols in a first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here 2 goes to 7, 2 goes to 7, 7 goes to 6, 7 goes to 6, we have written and 6 goes to 2. 6 goes to 2. So the remaining symbols are 1 is left fixed by 2, so 1 goes to 1, 3 goes to 3, 4 goes to 4, 5 goes to 5, and lastly 8 goes to 8. This is the standard form. We have written this in a standard form. Now sigma 2 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7. Here 1 goes to 3 here, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 5, 4 goes to 1, 5 goes to 4, 6 goes to 6, 7 goes to 7, 8 goes to 8. This is a sigma, and 2 is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 7, 3 goes to 3, 4 goes to 4, 5 goes to 5, 6 goes to 2, and 7 goes to 6, and 8 goes to 8. So this product can be, so first we have to find image of one under this sigma 2. So how we can find image of 1? So we have to consider from the first, we have to consider from the right. So first operating tau. See here, tau sends 1 goes to 1. This tau sends 1 goes to 1. So and the sigma sends 1 goes to 3. Tau sends 1 goes to 1. 1 sends, and tau sends 1 is to 3. So sigma 2 sends 1 is to 3. See here, 2 sends 7. Tau sends 2 to 7, and sigma sends 7 to 7. So we will get sigma tau sends 2 to 7. Here 3 goes to 3, and again this 3 goes to 5. So image of 3 is 5. 4 goes to 4 here, and this 4 goes to 1. So we have 4 goes to 1. Finally 5 goes to 5, 5 goes to 5, and 5 goes to 4 here. Here 6 goes to 2, 6 goes to 6, so 6 goes to 6. 7 here, 7 goes to 6, and 6 goes to 6. Here 6 goes to 2, because 6 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 2. So 6 goes to 2 here. This is a 2. And lastly 7 goes to 6 and 6 goes to 6. So 7 goes to 6. And 8 goes to 8, 8 goes to 8. So no change. 8 goes to 8, 8 goes to 8. So no change. This is the product of sigma into sigma 2, or this is sigma circle 2. In this way you can find the 2 circle sigma. In this way you can find 2 circle sigma. How you can find 2 circle sigma or tau sigma? Tau sigma is equal to, first we have to write tau. One 7 3 4 5, 1 7 3 4 5, 2 6 8, 2 6 8. This is your tau. And sigma 3 2 5, 1 4 6, 7 8. So we have to find the image of 1 first under tau sigma. See here, first we have to start from, keep in mind we have to start from right. So image of 1 is 3, 1 goes to 3 here, 3 goes to 3. So 1 goes to this, 1 goes to finally this 3. 2 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 7. Next 3 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 5. So this is finally 3 goes to 5. 4 goes to 1 here and 1 goes to 1. 5 goes to 4 here, 4 goes to 4. 6 goes to 6 and 6 goes to 2 here, and 7 goes to 7, 7 goes to 6 here, 7 goes to 7 and 7 goes to 6. 8 goes to 8 and 8 goes to 8. See. From these two you can see that sigma 2 and tau sigma are same, because 1 goes to 3 here. Here also we get 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 7, 2 goes to 7. So their product is same. So here sigma 2 is equal to 2 sigma. And observe that sigma into how and sigma into. Here one more thing is to observe is, here sigma and tau are distinct, disjoint, because they have no symbol in common. So disjoint cycles are nothing but the cycles which have no symbol in common. That such cycles are called disjoint cycles. So we note that if the cycles are disjoint, then they can commute each other. Disjoint cycles. Cycles having no symbol in common are called disjoint cycles. Disjoint cycles. We have remarked that if cycles are disjoint, then they can commute to each other. We will see in a theorem also and proof also. So now it is okay. Thank you, students.